For somebody with your personality in particular, my advice would be that, um, I could see you thinking, if if I've got my stuff together and I've got my path going over here and you've got your path going over there, as long as we're both trudging along, and pushing, we're going to be good. And generally that can work because you can be two independent beings out there with basically slaying your own dragons, right?
Mm.
Making the choices about which dragons you slay and how much armor you want to use. You're independent people, and that feels good right now until your first and most important joint project happened, which you told me you want. You have kids, right? That's oftentimes when the rub happens, because when you when you bring life into the world, that's the project where you can't do that independently. You can't be on one path and your partner on another, because raising those kids and making them as whole as you'd want them to be has so little to do with the dragon you're slaying now than it does with how you partner and engage and make choices together on these little creatures that you're going to love more than anything in the world. And you're not going to want to get that project wrong, but you've got to work with your partner. You got to communicate. And that's when it gets really hard.